In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in Coda Tables. Filtering is a simple way to zero in on exactly what you need, whether you're managing tasks, tracking projects, or reviewing a data set. By the end, you'll know how to apply a filter, choose the right condition, and clear it when you're done, all without changing or deleting your underlying data. First, open your web browser and head to Coda. Any modern browser will work well. Sign into your account so you can access your docs. Once you're in, open the Coda doc that contains the table you want to filter. If your doc has multiple pages, make sure you're on the page with the specific table you want to work with. Now, identify the column you want to filter. Columns are the headers at the top of your table, like priority, status, owner, or date. Hover your mouse over the column header. You'll see a small drop-down arrow appear on the right side of that header. Click that drop-down arrow to open the column menu. From the menu, click Filter. This opens the filtering options for that column. Here, you'll choose a condition that defines how Coda should match your data. Common options include is not, contains, and does not contain. As a quick guide, use is for an exact match, is not to exclude a specific value, contains to find entries that include a word or phrase anywhere in the cell, and does not contain to hide those. Depending on the column type, you may see slightly different options, and that's normal. Text columns focus on matching words, while other column types may offer options tailored to their data. After choosing your condition, enter the value you want to filter by. Type carefully, especially with exact matches, and remember that contains is great when you're not sure of the full value. As soon as you enter the value, the table will automatically update to show only the rows that meet your filter. Nothing is deleted. Coda is simply hiding the non-matching rows so you can focus. For example, if your table has a priority column, set the condition to is, then choose or type high. Instantly, you'll see only the tasks marked high, which is perfect for reviewing urgent items first. When you're finished, remove the filter by clicking the filter option again and selecting Clear Filter. Your table will return to its full view. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.